What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here at the shop with the homies Inder and Mercer, getting some work done on the CRV, but we're not vlogging any of that today. If I can get the package out of my bag, I want to do a little short video on a product review. A company reached out to me on Instagram asking if I was interested to try out a product that they came out with, and I said sure, I'm always down to try out a product as long as it would help you guys, the viewers, which in part it will. But today we're going to be trying out these Auxito LED signal bulbs. Same as my CRV and my Civic and EL, but on their website you can get it for any car. These apparently have a built-in resistor so that we don't get the hyper flash when we signal. So I'm looking forward to trying these out, especially because I work on dark roads and everything like that, so this would be very nice for cars away to see that, you know, if I'm broken down on the side of the road, or you know, if I'm turning, you know, all those nice things, because they're supposed to be really bright and they look really good. So we're just finishing up some stuff right now on the V. I'm gonna lower it down, and then we're gonna be taking off the rear tail lights so we can get to the bulbs and give you guys an honest review of this. And then at the end I will leave a coupon code and everything for you guys, so hang tight while we lower the CRV down. All right guys, I'm going to start removing this tail light. I'm going to replace the one bulb first and then put the four ways on so you guys can get a better look at the difference between the two, and then I'll turn on the car and put the signal on so you guys see that the hyper flash is gone. Put all four, put the four ways on, and then yeah, pretty excited to try this new product. So that's the new LED from Auxito. That's a standard amber bulb from Honda, Canadian Tire, and you can see a significant difference. Like, look how much brighter that is on the four-way. That looks amazing. I'm gonna go start the car now so I can just do a single signal. All right guys, look, single signal. Passenger one is turned off, driver's going, and like no hyper flash, nothing. This is a really bright signal. Great product for these bulbs. All right guys, so I'm gonna shut off the lights right now in the shop with Inder's help. We're gonna put the four ways on so you guys can see the difference between now the Auxito LED turn signal and the OEM bulb turn signal. So Inder, if you kindly can turn off the lights to the shop. All right guys, as you guys can see, it's dark minus the TV being on, but that's not really giving us much light. This is the Auxito LED turn signal. That is the OEM one. A big significant difference in brightness. Looks overall a lot better, and you can see it from afar. The fact that it has a cool little fan feature is amazing to help it keep cool while it's constantly flashing. All right guys, I just turned off the TV, so we have pitch black. Mercer's in the shop with us now, and what a significant difference. Like, you live up north and you know how dark those roads are, especially where I'm working. If you get stuck, or if like you're just driving and they can see you from afar with these kind of brightness of this LED.
Look how much it lights up the wall.
Yeah, look at the wall. And then versus like this side where you barely see any illumination on that side, but then look at the illumination on the wall on this side.
Yeah.
That's a strong LED signal.
Great product.
Oh yeah.
Definitely gotta get myself a pair.
Well,
you're gonna do the fronts eventually?
I am going to do the fronts. I'm gonna switch all the cars to this product on lighting. From headlights to reverse lights to everything.
Shout out to this, what was the brand called?
Auxito. Guys, as I was putting this bulb into this socket, I realized this has a tiny little fan on a signal bulb. That is amazing to help keep it cool and like obviously last long, because you know sometimes your standard four ways, the light's gonna be on for a long time, so keep the LED cool. That is a sick little feature. May not seem like a much, but that is nice. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. If I'm not, I apologize. But thank you for reaching out, Jackson, on Instagram, and I'm really glad that we were able to collab. And guys, if you guys want to order yourselves one, there's a link in the description below. When you get on their website, right before you check out, put the discount code Paul4door, and you guys will save yourself 15% off on the whole site. So the link's in the description. Hit them up. They have an amazing catalog of LED bulbs for any maker model. Paul4door, 15% off discount code. I'm glad I can help you guys, and it's a great product. I give it a 10 out of 10. Like, by far, I have LEDs on Ashley's car, I have LEDs on my Civic, and I have some LEDs in here. And by far, this is the best LED. They say there's a built-in resistor, and that's proof. I've already showed you guys the single signal. There's no hyper flash. Everything you see on Amazon that says no hyper flash always ends up being a lie because they're a cheaper product. You pay for a little bit more, but you get yourself a great product.
I know what I'm going to be doing this weekend.
Hitting the website? You taking advantage of that 15% off?
Taking, after seeing what I saw just now. Yeah, I'm taking advantage. Shout outs to Jackson once again. I'm taking advantage of that. So I'm going to order myself one, and for the girlfriend's vehicle as well.
That's amazing, guys.
Make sure that people see us when we're making left-hand turn signals, right-hand turn signals.
There's a bunch of videos on the road.
Huh?
There's a bunch of videos on the road.
Oh, there is. Wait, they have brake lights?
Yeah, because they have clear and amber, so you can use the clear ones as your brakes because it is the same bulb type.
Yeah, I'm going to check their website out and order some of these bulbs.
And I believe I have the strobe ones as well, like I have on the EL.
Okay.
So
yeah, definitely gonna check them out.
So yeah, 10 out of 10, thumbs up from me, guys. I hope you liked this short little video, and I hope you guys take advantage of the 15% off discount code. Remember, it's Paul4door at checkout, and you guys will save yourself 50% off on the whole website. And guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you, Mercer, for letting me use the shop in the warmth.
Later, guys.
And thank you, Ender, for everything you did on the CRV today. Guys, like, comment, subscribe, do me that favor, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.